So guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, go to www.gigabyte.com. This is the official website, so you can download the driver Gigabyte any devices. So you can see right hand side, just search bar, you just enter your model number of your motherboard, X870E AORUS XTREME AI top, and then hit enter. After that, you can see here the click on product. This is different AMD support and RAM also. So configuration sort there. Click on here on title on motherboard. After that, click on support. Then guys, select your operating system, which is using Windows 10 and 11. If you have a different like Windows 10, so you can follow this method to install this driver. Okay. Chipset. So you can see this is EMD chipset driver. Just click to download. It is start downloading here. You can see. So it is done. Just single click to open chipset driver and double click to exe. After, you can see this is allow for require administrator rights for the installations. Then click to yes. Now you can see this installations start. Then it is done and close it.